everyone! Welcome back again to my channel, and this is the first day of our fest celebration. So in today's video I will cook pork humba. This is just like adobo, but the taste is sweet. So let's join me cooking. So first thing first, I need to put the pan in the firewood. This is what we use when we are cooking here in the mountain. And then I will put the pork. Ouch! And then I will show you guys the ingredients and the seasoning. Oh look, oh. I have two bottle of soda, Sprite, sugar, pork broth cube, ground pepper, bay leaves, ground black pepper, and this is dry banana flour, dry onion and garlic. So after how many minutes, guys? I need to put the soy sauce. To make it color. To make it dark color. I put 2 pack of soy sauce. Then I need to add firewood. The garlic, garlic and onion. And then this is a whole black pepper. This is a Filipino seasoning. And then bay leaves. Oh, the pan is not one. Small to the size is not enough because I put more meat. So, oh my god, I'm sorry. Stop! Oh! And then after I mix, I need to put the Sprite. This is our way of making delicious pork humba. I need to boil a long time to make it soft and tender. And then let's add the pork both cubes. And then let's mix again. Now, so shh, stay away. And then I need to cover it and wait for about how many minutes? Heard the karaoke, guys. Every people here, they can do karaoke if it's any occasion, a big occasion like festival, birthday, Christmas or New Year, like that. So listen, they can do karaoke, but uh, here in the mountain, we cannot do karaoke because we choose to be a peaceful celebration only. Simple and peaceful celebration. So that's it. While I am waiting the pork to boil, and my father-in-law, uncle, my father and my brother-in-law, they can shot beer. So I will show you. Look. And then after how many minutes, let's add the package, guys. This is a dried banana blossom, dried banana flower, or let's add. Pa! And then the magic syrup. So, and cover. So the last ingredients or recipe is the sugar to make it sweetness, to make more sweetness. Wow. Ada apa tadi kok? Tadi bang, ini kita. Kami yang